Welcome back to my channel, and if you are not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. You see this bottle right here? This bottle will grow your edges back overnight. Like, it works for me. And as you can see, this is the before. My edges was literally gone because of hair glue, and then this is the result overnight. And I feel like if I keep using it even for 30 days or less, or even for 1 week, I'll have full edges, and you will too. So from experience, I've noticed that a couple of things break your hairline. That's the tight hairstyles, tight wig caps, hair glue, even hair gel that has alcohol inside, and also when you brush your hairline too much and too hard. All you're gonna need is 1 red onion, which you are going to blend and pour into a clean cloth that is covering a bowl, as you can see right here. So after blending the red onion, you can see me scooping the blended onions into this clean cloth. Red onions are full of sulfur, they are full of antioxidants, and they are antibacterial. So what it does is it boosts the blood circulation to the follicles, it cleans the scalp, and increases the production of enzymes that stop the hair from breaking and thinning. So next time you do your weekly groceries, don't forget a bag of red onions. And what you're going to need is a spray bottle. Now this whole pack I got from a UK store called Primark, and I'm using just the spray bottle that is in the pack. All I did is pour the red onions into the spray bottle, and you can use this if you have bald patches, you have thinning hair. And what I do is I apply it like this. I just spray it all over the hairline, all over the edges, and then I rub the juice in. This is easy to make and really easy to apply and really affordable. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.